Hey, what's up, everyone? Today's the 28th of December 2023. We're going to talk about Kaspa real quick because, as you guys can see from the chart right now, the market is trending down. It is bearish, and it even went against our last price prediction to the market. What should we do now? Well, we're going to talk about it. I'm going to keep it real. If you guys don't like the real, then I suggest that you guys click off this video and go find someone else to where someone is willing to tickle your ears, because I got to be a realist in the cryptocurrency space. We anticipated back in Kaspa that the market was going to go higher right here on this day, December the 8th, 2023. And as you guys can see from the price action, our price prediction did not pan out right. And it will happen. There will be days to where your idea doesn't come to fruition. And what do? Do you cry? Do you moan? Do you complain as to why you lost out on one particular trade? No. You get right back in position and you try to capitalize on the next move. That's what we're going to do here. You guys can see a couple of days later, maybe 3 days, 4 days, the market hit our ultimate stop loss right there, 10.16%. There, we're going to go ahead and get rid of it. So I think you guys can get the biased direction of the market. Currently, the market in Kaspa is trending down. So we're going to fix this chart to show you why the market is going to continue to go lower, at least from our perspective. Okay, so let's get rid of this. We're going to get rid of these sell zones up here at the top because they're not applicable right now, because the price in Kaspa is right around 10.5 cents. Okay, we identify support into the market in Kaspa here, and they did it for a couple of days of trading, December the 11th, 12th, and the 13th. But then the market came right back down and fell below it off of this indicator weakness day here. So this area, this zone here now is selling 11.5 cents. Okay, so we're going to identify that and put that on a chart to represent selling. So this is where the current sell zone is for Kaspa. Okay, so let's put that on the chart. And any movement to the upside that we see Kaspa run to the sell zone and the buyers don't capitalize off of it, i.e. simply meaning they're not able to break price up through that sell zone, the market is still considered weak. Okay, just saying. Now, right here is where we want to determine the buyers. This is where some buyers came into the market in Kaspa. So let's look at this on the 1 hour chart to distinguish where those buyers are. We're going to zoom in closer to that 1 hour time frame, and this is where they're at right here. Okay, so we got the buyers position, and we also know where the sellers are positioned. These two areas are going to be real important as to where price is anticipated to go on the daily time frame. Okay, so let's look at this on a longer term chart into the market in Kaspa. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. How do you feel? Do you feel like the buyers are holding price within this range? Currently they are, but there's still instances to where I can see selling on the 2-day time frame. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Kaspa on the 5. Okay, we're just going to look at the chart as a whole. To see the market actually is trending more to the bearish side or to the bullish side. It is on the weekly time frame. So from a weekly perspective, I don't like it at all. If I was trying to buy this particular cryptocurrency, I will not come in and buy it right now, because these weekly price bars is letting me know that there's still a lot of weakness into the market right now. We have an up fake created on this weekly bar, a push to go down bar created on the prior week, and more up fake weaknesses up there around 14 to 14.5 cents. So yeah, the weekly chart doesn't look too good for the buyers. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Look at that there. The 2 weekly time frame also created an indicator of weakness of fake there. What about on the 3? You guys can see the prior 3 weekly bar on November the 13th we ran up. The next 3 weeks we came right back down. Here it is on the 5. Okay, so all in all, the long-term chart, I'm not bullish. Here it is on 330 minute. We're still seeing instances of weakness into the market in Kaspa. So I think we need to play weakness and a move lower in Kaspa. Now, check this out. Again, I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm here to show you accurately what the chart is reflecting at this particular moment. And we can find buyers here. You can see that they are there on this 7-hour bar. They came through, and they also came through on this 7-hour bar. So we may not see the price go that low in Kaspa, because this zone has been created as a location that people are willing to buy the coin right here. So even though we're going to anticipate the weakness into the market in Kaspa to continue, it may not go that low. It might just hit this one buy zone there and continue to go higher in price. Okay. Now let's say that it doesn't hold that buy zone. Let's try to create another one in Kaspa. And needless to say, it's all the way down here. Okay. All the way down there. So we're currently sitting around 10.5 cents. The market may actually run down to 8 cents to pick up those other buyers who felt that price was valuable here. I'm gonna do another one. I kind of like this area here too. So these are my 3 targets right now. Okay. As to where I'm thinking price is aiming to go. Now, let's go ahead and put this on the chart and we'll be finished. As long as the market in Kaspa trades below 12 cents, maybe a little bit higher, I'll do it there around 12.5. We're going to anticipate the movement to the downside. First target is this first buy zone. Okay. 9.5 cents on the low. It gives us 9.91% there. Second target is in the second buy zone. Almost 9 cents. 16.15% there. Third target's all the way down at the third buy zone, which is around 7.5, 0.078, 25.75. So we got the lines marked. We got the ideas of where we suspect price in Kaspa is about to go. And now we just sit back and let the price action work. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.